And just to the south of Remington, crossing over the Rappahannock River right now, moving from Culpeper County in towards Fauquier County.
Yeah, I was trying to get the live going faster, so
very slow moving storm. That means we're seeing incredible amounts of rainfall happening very,
what is
very
it?
quickly.
Is that
here.
17?
Remember, this is
okay.
This is an hour loop here. This is 1 hour. Is that 1 hour, correct, Amelia?
I'm here in a van right now in Chantilly with generator going, and I got the AC going.
About an hour, and you know
So,
that drive. It's not
because it was pretty hot.
15-minute drive from Culpeper to Remington, 15-20 minutes, and you can see it's taken over an hour for that rain to get here. So we're seeing some very heavy rainfall. It's moving very close to 17 right now, but just to the south of Remington. We still have a little bit of a notch, but not quite as prolific as it was a little bit earlier. And so,
I want to get out there and I want to do some storm spotting. I really do. I may do that. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. If it gets close to Manassas, right?
That means every 15 minutes you're getting an inch of rain. I mean, that is a lot of rain.
Yeah.
This storm, and it continues
Okay. If this does get close to Manassas, I may go out there and try to find it. I don't know. So we'll see.
If they simply allow it to expire.
But they technically
tornado warning to expire.
Good.
And that's very good news. That tells us, as I was just saying, we're looking at a little bit less of a circulation here. That's great news.
Well, the reason why too, because see how it says tornado warning? Well, they need to take that off. But the reason why, because it's not touching. It's not a touchdown. If it's just a hook echo or something like a notch, is what he says. It's not a tornado warning. It's not touching the ground. That's the problem. You know what I mean? It's not. As long as it does not make landfall or touchdown, it's not a tornado. It'd be technically a funnel cloud or something like that. Okay.
In towards parts of Stafford County, and that movement's going to be a little bit mostly to the east, but a little bit north of that. And we're looking at areas like Somerville at 341, Garrisonville at around 4.
Never heard of Bleak?
Bleak at around 318, and Acquia around 5 o'clock. So once again,
I need to do some laundry. Oh, it's so gross in here, you know?
Throughout the day today, that's why we're in Storm Team 4 weather alert mode right now, is because of the fact we're going to have these storms, we're going to have the potential for very heavy rainfall, and we may get a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings out of this. And
at least.
Tornado. Now, tornadoes on a day like today mostly would be on the weaker side, but doesn't take a whole lot to get that. So heavy rain is the biggest threat. Strong winds also a pretty big threat. And notice the tornado and the hail threat are on the moderate side today. So we're not talking about a non-existent threat here of tornadoes. There is that threat.
My generator is so quiet that I can hear the TV pretty good in AC more than the generator. You know, I can feel the generator.
And everybody has that flood watch in effect. Fairfax County, Arlington County, Prince George's County, D.C. It points to the north. That flood watch is in effect until midnight tonight. Flood warning back here along Frederick County and Clark County. That flood warning going until 5:15. And these storms will continue to rumble on through the area. Here we go around 5 o'clock. Here we are around 6 o'clock. So if you're looking for the metro
it's going to be going through Rockville. See?
Let's say 3.
Right there, Rockville.
And Fairfax County and Montgomery County, and through the district around 5 o'clock. So probably 4 to 6-ish is what I was saying around the metro area.
Or on the height of the rush hour, too. The beginning and the height of the rush hour.
To go with these storms moving through. These are the two big storms that I'm
The height of the rush hour is 5 o'clock to 6:30 or so. The beginning of the rush hour is around 3:30, 4 o'clock, and the ending is around 6:30 to 7:30.
But not as big of one. Still a little bit right there, but not as big as one. What did you just tell me real fast? Okay, and as we meet the storm, once again, making its way right now over towards 17. This storm's making its way through parts of southern Fauquier County, moving into Prince William County as well. And all of these storms are going to be moving through the area over the next couple of hours. So please, keep it right here to Storm Team 4. Keep it right here to NBC4. We've got our news coming up, of course, at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and 6 o'clock. Anything else occurs, we'll continue to bring you the latest updates, especially on any more tornado warnings that come up. But for right now, coming up next at 3 o'clock, it's Dateline.
That's pretty cool. Might be out of National, because National is on that side right there.
This is Dateline Daytime on NBC.
Something is not right.
Harassment. Order. All rise.
Channel 9 might come in, I don't know. HD? Huh. Didn't do that before, as far as I know.
The day shift continues now. Just hang in there, I guess.
Which MacGyver is this?
With another episode of Nash Bridges, right here on Heroes
Oh,
and Icons.
yeah, that one's kind of annoying. Let's turn that off. Alright, everybody, so yeah, I guess the tornado warning was allowed to expire for the fact that it, first of all, it didn't make landfall, it didn't make touchdown, so it's not a tornado. If it even just a hook echo, it's not a tornado. I mean, they can give a warning, but it doesn't mean it's an actual tornado. No, it if you were in that exact area at that exact moment, you see a funnel cloud, you know, it's still a funnel cloud. Now once it touches the ground and starts doing damage, then it becomes a tornado. So just want you guys to know that. Okay, all right, take care.